how to check PNC app version and update it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're wondering if you have the latest PNC app, well, here is how to check the version and update it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And there, once logged in, you can just tap on the menu icon and then scroll to the settings, and there you can simply tap on About App. And once you do that, in that section you'll see the current app version. But to update it, you can simply go back and open the Play Store app. And now here, once inside, you can just tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once in the search section, you can just tap on the search bar and simply search for PNC Bank. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on the PNC mobile option. And here, if there is any update available, you can just tap on update button, and with that, once updated, you will be running the latest version of the PNC app. And that's it. That's how you can check the PNC app version and update it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.